Advanced Ads, the ad management plugin for WordPress.
Hi there. Are you monetizing a website with affiliate marketing? Disclosing your affiliate relationships to your readers is essential because it builds trust by being upfront about any potential financial ties to the products you recommend, and it adheres to legal regulations in some countries. In this video, I will show you how to add an affiliate disclosure to your posts using the Advanced Ads plugin. To get started, follow these steps. Navigate to your WordPress backend and create a new ad unit in Advanced Ads. Give it a clear name, such as Affiliate Disclosure. Choose the plain text and code or the rich content ad type. Customize the text to suit your needs and adjust the layout. The video description includes a link to our manual with helpful examples. Then, publish the ad. Once you've created your affiliate disclosure, you can easily add it to your posts using the Advanced Ads block. Create a block anywhere you like. Select the affiliate disclosure ad and save the post. Reload your front end and it will appear. Suppose you want to add this disclosure to several posts. I recommend using the placement instead of the shortcode. Create a new placement, such as the after content placement, to automatically place your affiliate disclaimer below your posts. Assign the affiliate disclosure ad and save the placement. Check the front end to see the disclosure on your website.
Advanced Ads, the ad management plugin for WordPress.